Welcome to the first lesson, and in this lesson we will install Unreal Engine 4 to start work with it. We will cover how to create an Epic Games account to download Epic Games Launcher and then install Unreal Engine from it. To install and use Unreal Engine, make sure that your computer meets the minimum requirements that you can find on the requirements page, and you can find the link of this page under description of this tutorial. So to get started, you need to open your web browser and go to unrealengine.com website. Then I suppose that you don't have an account, and in that case you have to create a new one. To do this, go to sign in, and then if you don't have an account you need to sign up, and if you have already your account you just need to sign in, and you can choose the method how you want to sign in. And you can see here different options. You can sign in with Facebook, with your Google account or your VK account and more. In case if you don't have an account, let's go to sign up. And again, on this page you can choose how you want to sign up. You can sign up again with Facebook or whatever, but in this tutorial I will use sign up with email. After that you need to fill out the form, and you also need to read and be agreed with the terms of service. Click to continue, and then you will need to pass CAPTCHA challenge. So now when our account has been created, we can go to download page. And on the download page we can choose two different licenses: publishing license for those who wants to make money from their products, and in that case if your project will earn money then you will need to pay commission to the Epic Games. And there is a creator's license which is absolutely free, but in that case you can't earn money from your product, but just use it for your internal purposes and free projects. For this tutorial I will pick this one. And for the first time you will need to accept the license agreement, and we will start downloading Epic Games Launcher. When the Epic installer has been downloaded, just open it and install Epic Launcher on your computer. Open Epic Launcher after installation and you will see the Unreal Engine homepage. After that, go to the library and then add a new engine installation for us. For now, the latest version of Unreal Engine is 4.25. To install it, you need to be sure that you have at least 35 GB of free space on your drive. Click Install, choose your install location and click Install again. Then you will wait until installation completes. Congratulations! Now Unreal Engine is installed on the computer. From the next tutorial we will start from the first steps in Unreal Engine. And for now, thanks for watching and take care.